Hello po mga Onis. Ayan, anong oras na? Maaga pa akong nagising ngayon kasi last night, pagdating ko ng bahay, maaga din pong natulog. So, ayan po for almost, what's that? Sabak Samil, ang ating, Sabak Samil. Yes, 4 days, no, yeah, 3 days and 2 nights po sa Chongpyong. Actually, pinag-prepare ko na din po yung sarili ko spiritually and physically na before mag-attend ng Teyuksa kasi Teyuksa, this is the first Teyuksa in this year. Actually, this is not the first time. This is only the first Teyuksa, the first special workshop in this year. So that is this workshop is very very special, of course special and very memorable to all of us. Okay, so in times of Teyuksa, we know and we have to know that there are a lot of grace that and a lot of blessing that unexpectedly na mararanasan natin in that day during the Teyuksa, before and after Teyuksa, and during the Teyuksa. So actually, I did my best to do devotion and talagang nagsincere po ako kasi I really, time is too short kasi palaging sinasabi ni Iggy Sunghaechang Nim, not only Iggy Sunghaechang Nim, that kapage, shikani kapage. You know what, True Mother is already 81 years old and lalo na the last, yung istorya natin na sabi, True Mother this time, she always cried, guys. How can you imagine? Because she is thinking the whole nation as a true mother, as the begotten only daughter, and true father is in the spirit world, right? For how many years, and true mother is still here in physical world, trying to restore the whole nation, and physically and spiritually. So we are the way, we are true mother's energy, guys. So please, be responsible of what our missions, purpose, and activities, not only for our life, but we have to follow the step of our Messiah, guys. We don't know when True Mother is going to eternal word to be with True Father. So, and then we're not just proud of our blessed children, or yes, our second generation, third generation. Let's pray for all the second generation, the entire world, because that is a true mothers, and that is heavenly parents' heart to restore the whole nation, not only for our families, not only for our children, not only for our, for our sake, but we have to live for the sake of others. And we have to liberate all the central evil spirit in this spirit world, not only for my central evil spirit, but as the second generation, Alina said, we have to liberate all the central evil spirit in the spirit world, not only for our central evil spirit. So we have to be united, guys. Wag na po tayong maging greedy, wag na po tayong maging selfishness, maging lang po tayo, mapagpakumbaba po tayo, guys. So, yun na, ang hirap talaga. And you know what? I have a lot of revelations during, before, during, and after this Teyoksa. Alam mo yung mga iniisip mo, yung gusto mong gawin, pinapakita talaga sa'yo ni God. Actually, some of us, heavenly parents and true parents, using us as instruments. Hindi po lahat tayo nakaka-feel ng spiritual connection because of our faith. And I do believe if we have a deep faith and strong faith and very connected to our true parents, our determination, 100%, more than 100%, we can witness a lot of miracles, a lot of unexpected, that we will use them as testimonies to all our brothers and sisters. You know what? Those people I almost, so on the workshop, those people who are really very close to our true mother. you know I don't I'm questioning myself why I experienced this, not why gusto ko. I really gusto ko lahat tayo maka-experience, guys. This is the first time I lost my voice during this. I attended so much Teoksa for the past years for my. But this time, since I attended seriously the vigil prayer, the Chorya Jong song, I feel a lot of, very, a lot so revelations. So sorry, God. So, I, napapansin nyo, in our group, we have 258 members plus member in this group. I hope that we can invite more of our blessed members. I know not all of us have the same faith, because of our life restoration. But as I've said, we have to be straightforward to follow our true parents. And the spirit world is really working to us. Those absolutely good angels, those cholte sonyonim, are really working with us. We have to pray to Hungzenim, Hyuzenim, and Demonim for our guidance spiritually and physically, because they are really here with us. And let's pray and ask Jesus Christ to help our true Father and our true Mother, to those believers of Jesus Christ, to enlighten their minds. God, guys, mga unis, Heavenly Parents is waiting us. We need to comfort our Heavenly Parents' heart. Can you imagine? Pag malungkot tayo, mas malungkot si Heavenly Parents. You have to pray sincerely from the bottom of your hearts. And you know what? When I prayed for the Changyang, when was that? Yeah, Saturday, the afternoon, I called them on Him and using him, and my spiritual father in those Socrates, my face so much full of light, and a lot of, how do you say, hope. And you know what, my body, something like kind of energy come inside of me, yung nag-ground ako, guys, from head to foot. That was my first time to experience. So I gave everything of what, kung anong kaya ko. Grabe, as in, nawalan talaga. Ganito yung boses ko. Buti na lang medyo okay na yung boses ko. Grabe yung talagang parang nakarent ka. Yung kuryente talaga yung pumasok sa katawan ko. So, and grabe talaga from head to foot. Gusto ko lang talaga na ma-force each every one of us. Why don't we do reflection, guys? Bakit tayo na-bless? Bakit natin na-meet si true parents sa buhay natin? And bakit na-meet natin yung asawa? And some of us, our husband is our number one enemy to restore, right? So, and then, ang dami ko. Tapos pagpasok ko doon sa Chungsimorn, before I enter in the Chungshu. Then doon sa Alina, the second generation na, she has a lot of struggles also. Anyway, when I hold her hands, grabe yung energy, yung current, yung parang nagra-ground ka. Anyway, guys, let's go forward, please. Let's pray each other. I love you all on this. I don't know, ginagawa ko ito kasi someday, somehow, I will go in the spirit world. Hindi nyo na ako makikita physically, but spiritually, I'm always with you. So please, let's love each other. Please support our true parents. Support all the true children. Let's pray for the true children. Not only for our families, guys. Not only for ourselves, but for all the nation. Okay? Thank you. Thank you, Diyos ko. Diyos ko talaga. Ko naubos na luha ko, pero I know yung boses ko walang-wala na, binigay ko na po lahat sa Jungsong, at alam ko kulang pa po yung Jungsong ko. And I love you all on this Sarakan dito. Yan lang po talaga. Maga po ako nagising today.